Hey everyone, it's Rob Schaumer of Pimensky Schaumer & Associates, Elite Business Coaching and Consulting, video number 59. My second last video of my 30-day 60-video personal challenge. I just got back from Las Vegas. I was there for 2 days for a conference called LeadsCon about the lead generation industry, buying and selling leads, businesses that their sole focus is to get quality leads and market them to other businesses and sites and the like to market their products like education and loans and insurance and the like. It was a really cool event, a great opportunity to network and meet new people, as well as I learned some things about how to set up your site and build your business so you can generate more leads to your own business. And one guy that I was really impressed with, his name was, I think Tim Jared. He's got a company called eLocal, and he was sharing some ideas, and he was really open. He was really transparent. He told you so much you wouldn't even need to hire him, but the truth is you would, because he's very good at what he does. They've built an amazing site, but he was willing to share what he knows and what he's learned with other people so they could also grow. And it's really it's really an important idea today, and a lot of companies that are getting it are growing at a very quick pace, that you don't lose out by sharing information. By sharing information, you educate your audience, you give them value, and they say, hey, thanks for sharing that and giving me that value, I'll come work with you. And because we don't realize the time it takes. So for example, a perfect example is he was sharing with the audience how you can build your local presence online. And he showed the process, and that process would take a good 40 hours. A good solid, a full dedicated week, step by step going through this process, posting in the right places to start the process of developing yourself online. And say for example, you're making $200 a day in what you do, right? Or let me switch that. $200 an hour is your time, right? So at 40 hours, that's, oh my goodness, I just blanked on the math. 2 times 4 is 8 is $8,000, right? So you can hire them to do it for much cheaper. So why would you waste your time as a newbie to it when you could hire them who are experts? So that's the power of sharing these ideas. But it was some really cool stuff, and at some point I will go into some detail and share some ideas on how you can build your local presence online. But it was really amazing. He laid it right out, and you need 40 hours to really sort of set that up. And again, that's just the starting point. Then you have to manage and maintain it. But that aspect of being willing to share what's inside of you. And I was just speaking to a friend of mine, and I said, that's what I'm doing with myself as well. That I want to share what I know, because I don't think I'm giving anything away, that I'm jeopardizing my own business growth, because I know that as a coach, that you need a coach to grow. That you need somebody in your corner. When you look at the people that have succeeded in the world, whether it's sports, entertainment, business, they always have a coach. They always have somebody that has their back, that holds them accountable, that supports them, that cheers them on, that brings out their strengths. And those people are already super successful. They know what they need to do, but they still recognize that they need somebody to do with. So for myself as well, it was a good lesson, because I also want to share what I've learned and the strategies that I come up with and have discovered. Anyhow, that's video number 49. Video number 60 is coming up. I'm going to press stop and then press start again and finish off. And thanks for everybody that's been joining along in this ride. I've really appreciated the support and the comments, and I'm ready to move on to the next goal. Have a great evening. Bye.